Ah, let's drill out some holes. Hi, we're here working on a Jimmy. We're gonna do the fuel pump real quick while baby chills in the car.
In all cars, your fuel pump's going to be in your fuel tank. In most cars, you can get to it through your back seat or under your trunk or something. But they made it really hard, so we have to take the fuel tank out.
And we grabbed the fuel pump and we shoved it in the car. 8 hours in the heat and the rain, and we did it. And then we tested the thing, and guess what? It didn't work. So we got 2 ignition coils. We got one from O'Reilly's, and then we got the other one out of Johnny's car, and compared the 2. So this is the new one. This is our new ignition coil. This is the old one. I don't know if you can tell, but look at the tips. See how worn this is? And this is all nice and perfect latchiness. We have to put this casing on this.
So the new ignition coil didn't come with a mounting bracket to it at all, so I had to drill out the rivets holding the old ignition coil to the mounting bracket and then replace it with some new hardware that came with the new one. Next we had to go drive back to the hangar where the Jimmy was parked and put the new ignition coil in.
Getting no spark.
Guess what? It didn't work.
Alright, let's back up for a minute. Originally, we were convinced that the truck just needed a fuel pump, and then it would be good to go. After we put the fuel pump in and it still wouldn't run, we decided to do some of our own diagnosing. So if there's a fuel problem, then starter fluid in the intake line should make the engine run, at least turn over. So we tried that, and nothing happened. It didn't work at all. So then we decided to do some more testing. It was either spark or timing related. We knew it was getting enough air, and we knew it was getting fuel. So the first thing we tested was spark. So there's only 2 things that are responsible for generating spark in these older cars: the ignition coil and the distributor. Since we assumed that only one thing would fail at a time, the most likely culprit to cause no spark was the ignition coil. So that's what we replaced first. After we replaced the ignition coil, there was still no spark, which meant that we had to replace the distributor cap and rotor next. So that's what we did.
It's kind of hard to see, but you really can't make good spark if your distributor rotor there is worn all the way down like that. So yeah, there you go.
Scott, can you say thank you for watching?
About as good as it could.
We replaced the ignition coils and the distributor, and the car runs great.
Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions or comments, let us know. And Scott, say thank you. Say good vibes.
That's pretty close.
Good vibes.